This is how you're going to host React website on Hostinger. So to get your React app online, you need to run it into static files and upload them. So first, you're going to build your app. You're going to open your project in the terminal and run the command npm run build. This creates a new folder named build with the production-ready files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now you're also going to add configuration. Inside the build folder, you may need to add a special file named htaccess to handle routing so your links work. You can create this file in your Hostinger file manager in the next step. So in your Hostinger file manager, you're going to upload your files. So you're going to log into your Hostinger H panel. From here, you're going to head over to this left side panel and then click on websites. Now, while you're on your website page, you're going to head over to the file manager and then navigate to the public.html folder. Upload all contents of the build folder to public_html. Now you're also going to add htaccess content. If you needed an htaccess file for routing, open it in the Hostinger file manager and add the necessary code or a common one for React redirects all traffic to index.html. And that is how you're going to host React on Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.